Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to give you a tour of my newly updated bedroom. I've added some tech and furniture that I can't wait to share with you. So let's get started. First up, the setup you all probably came for, my new gaming/home cinema setup. I've got my PlayStation and the brand new BenQ X500i gaming projector, which is fantastic for a big screen experience in small rooms. Both are placed on IKEA's Tingby side table on wheels. This table is super practical because I can easily move it around whenever I need to, and it offers just the right amount of space to place the projector, PlayStation and a power strip so that I have just one cable coming from the entire setup. Now let's talk about the BenQ projector in more detail. I have written down a list of features I found most interesting. The X500i is a short throw projector, making it suitable for small room like this one. From just 1.5 meters away from a wall, you can project a 100-inch image for immersive entertainment. I have around 2 meters to this wall right here, so I am able to get a stunning 130-inch, which is basically the size of this whole wall. With 4K UHD resolution, it delivers sharp and detailed images. The X500i has enhanced brightness and color performance compared to traditional projectors. It also supports HDR10 and hybrid low gamma for enhanced contrast in detail in high dynamic range content. With just 4.16 milliseconds input lag, it's perfect for gaming. Android TV platform offering access to a wide range of apps and streaming services. So far I've played Call of Duty Vanguard and Need for Speed Playback with it. Both games perfectly showcase the abilities of X500i projector. In Call of Duty you can see everything in the dark scenes thanks to BenQ's HDR Pro support. It's a blast to play this game on a 130-inch screen, it's truly immersive. Need for Speed, on the other hand, has a lot of bright day scenes which look amazing as well. Just look at this beamer, and I mean not the projector but the BMW M5 over there. Movies and TV shows look just as nice, if not better than games. And if you have a completely dark room, they look absolutely insane. It's truly cinema at home with this projector. If you are considering a projector like this one, it doesn't have to be this particular BenQ model, but any other capable 4K projector, please keep in mind that these things develop a lot of heat and therefore have fans to blow it away. This means you can definitely hear the fan noise, and I would ensure good air ventilation in the room as well. But other than that, I'm absolutely blown away by this particular projector. I know it's almost impossible to show through a video like this how immersive it is to play your favorite game or watch your favorite Netflix show on 130-inch screen. That's something you need to experience yourself, and trust me, you will be blown away as well. Now back to the rest of the bedroom. Here is our reading corner featuring the Otis chair from Sofa Company. This chair is made with soft and fluffy teddy fabric, making it both charming to look at and incredibly comfortable to sit on. It's perfect for lounging or just taking a quick break from gaming. Teamed up with a minimalist Louis Poison floor lamp, it sets a vibe that's both functional and inviting. Designed by Arne Jacobsen in 1957, this timeless piece is known for its sleek minimalist design. The lamp features a distinctive angular shade that directs light precisely where it's needed, making it ideal for reading or creating ambient lighting. Over here I have the linen bedside table from Cave Home. Featuring a clean, minimalist design, the table has two solid wood drawers providing convenient storage for nighttime essentials. What I love most about this piece is its unique design with rounded edges and beautiful reliefs on the drawers. It adds a nice touch of sophistication to the room. For our bedroom we went with light colored wood, creating Japanese style here in contrast to our living room, where we have used walnut furniture and darker tones. The bedroom is still not completely done, as you can imagine, but the direction is definitely set now with investment in the side tables and the chair. On top of my linen bedside table I have Nomad's Base 1 Max MagSafe charger in silver. It's perfect for keeping my devices charged and organized all in one sleek package. I don't charge my devices here overnight, as I don't think it's a good idea to keep your phone near your head while it's charging all night long. So this charging station serves for occasional charging while gaming or watching Netflix. Music is a big part of my life, so I have a quality wireless speaker in the bedroom as well. This is BenQ M5 speaker, which I owned for around 8 years. It's made of cool aluminum and warm textile material, providing an immersive audio experience throughout the room. On the other side of the bed we have temporarily placed this beautiful lamp from Grau, which you might recognize from my previous living room video. It's temporarily here because we have not yet got night table lamps for the bedroom. We try to buy stuff we love and would keep for many years rather than buying cheap products. And items we love are usually on the pricier side, which is why it takes time to make everything look the way we want. Finally, I have the Xseries body scan. This device is perfect for keeping track of my health metrics right from the comfort of my bedroom. It's a great addition for anyone who is health conscious. The body scan is a comprehensive health and fitness tracker that offers a range of features to monitor various aspects of your health. Here are some key functionalities it provides. Accurate weight tracking with precise measurements, measures body fat, muscle mass, bone mass and water percentage. Helps in understanding the distribution and composition of your weight, and many more. It deserves a separate video, which I'm probably going to shoot soon. And that's it for my updated bedroom tour. I hope you enjoyed seeing all these new additions. Let me know in the comments which item is your favorite and if you have any suggestions for further upgrades. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.